What's going on YouTube? So today I'm going to be doing a little overview on this Bluetooth speaker that I got here. It is the Northtech Advanced Technology speaker, I guess. Now this thing's pretty cool. It's got indoor and outdoor mode, and this is the power button. So when you turn it on, does some weird little tune. Oh wait, actually I think I was turning it off. My bad, it was already on. But this little thing right here is a dial, and you just spin it to adjust the volume. But if you press the mode button, you can go back and forth from indoor or outdoor. But yeah, this thing's got pretty good sound. I mean, I can't really test it because I'm recording with my phone right now. And plus, that would just bring up some copyright issues with YouTube or something. But yeah, this is the VIBRATO. Yeah. Let me know if you guys tried this yet or if you like it. Please thumbs up and check out my channel. I upload like a bunch of unboxing videos and just like quick little reviews. But yeah, thanks for checking out my video. Later.